Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have a beautiful 1993 Jaguar XJS convertible right here. I just purchased the car from a lovely woman. She's the one who bought this car brand new, and it only has 14,500 actual miles. The car is all original, recently been serviced and inspected, has all the original paperwork and books and literature. Car's fantastic. Visit volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, and get the price. Not only on this one, we do have a few hundred collector cars, and they're all for sale, so visit volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, tops down on this Jaguar, let's go for a spin. Reading the original literature, Jaguar describes this car as smooth and luxurious, and at the same time, a sporty type of car. So it's a combination of both. It's spirited, I think they called it. Underneath the car is super clean original stainless steel exhaust, four-wheel ABS brakes, independent suspension front and back as the Jaguar we're in with the inboard disc brakes, a 4-speed automatic transmission that has a sport mode right on the console there. Underneath the car, again, just super clean. Looks like a 14,000 mile car that's been driven on nice sunny days. The body and paint is outstanding. It's all original. They said it's never been painted or damaged. It's beautiful. Honestly, I didn't see a flaw. The pinstripe was painted on, his body side moldings here, but I don't see any. There's a little tiny nick on the edge of the door here. Zero rust, no cracking, no damage. A couple little droplets of water down there. Everything fits spot on. The Glacier white paint is just slick as can be. All of the chrome, the stainless, all of that's beautiful. It has the original alloy wheels. These are the original Goodyear tires still on here. Never been changed, and the tread is excellent. The lenses, the rubber, there's no scuffs and bumps, the plastic trim, everything's here is really nice. The Jaguar ornament, I really haven't found any other flaws yet other than that tiny nick. This is the biggest flaw in the car. The lower windshield is delaminated. There's a cloudy like half circle here in the glass. It doesn't affect your vision one bit. But that's the biggest flaw that this car has. All the rubber and plastic, everything is soft and excellent. The chrome's beautiful. Power antenna, third brake light. This trim is not scratched or beat up. All this is mint. The smoked tail lights, I just found out in the brochure, that was a factory option. You can get the clear or you can get the smoked. Got the nice pop-up gas cap. So the trunk compartment's fully carpeted. I did pull this cover off. It's a matching tire and wheel, never been out of the car. You got the battery. There's a carpeted pouch over here, has all the tools in it. Comes with a nice car cover. Everything in here looks brand new. The tan canvas boot is over the top of a tan canvas convertible top. It's power, all lined inside so you don't see the bows from the top frame. That's excellent. All the glass is excellent. Power, of course. Really nice. All Connolly premium leather on the armrests, door panels, center console, the seats. They are sport seats. They got memory. They got heat. They have power lumbar. So all sorts of stuff going on with the seats. The dash is pristine. All the wood grain and lenses and knobs, all that looks excellent. The engine is a 6-cylinder, 4 valves per cylinder, dual overhead cam. So it runs smooth and yet responsive. Excellent original condition. It's pristine with the exception of the hood insulation is disintegrated, and the black paint on top of the motor could use some touching up. Everything else, all the components, the wiring, all the factory finishes, it's all practically like new looking inside the car. The door jambs are nice, the weather strips are mint, the sill plates are not scuffed. It's all power accessories, of course, you know, power windows, locks. It has its factory Jaguar stereo, fog lamps. The key buzzer works, got extra keys. We've got, it's kind of funny, this kit on cleaning a head cleaner for the cassette player, still in the Jaguar package. And we've also got the books, the manuals, brochures, the original window sticker, the original sales contract, original title, everything's right here. This car is 27 years old and it sold for $58,000 27 years ago. You actually use the hood latch to pull it down tight again. I don't think it went in the right spot over there. Kind of did things backwards. I didn't open the door, but this side is pristine. Trunk's pristine. Well, I'm obviously doing something wrong. It's with the hood, latching the hood. I just latched it a second ago. I also forgot to turn on the lights. They all work. Car's fantastic. One elderly woman bought this car new. It's an outstanding survivor, beautiful car. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of this car. If you have questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. They can also help with the paperwork, financing, delivery. They'll make it real easy for you. If you just enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. And I guarantee as soon as the camera's off, I'll probably close that hood on the first try. There's nothing wrong with it. It's me. Thank you.